Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will be discussing to you how to show the home button in Google Chrome. So if you're interested with these kind of video tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to All About Technology YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell so you won't miss out our future YouTube videos like these one. Steps and guides, detailed text-based steps and guides. Step number 1. Access Chrome, /settings/appearance. Step number 2. Go to Appearance page, then toggle on and off the Show Home button. Step number 3. The Home button should appear beside the Refresh button within the URL address bar.